dead. Where's the snake?
The snake's still on him.
Oh, crap. It's choking that thing to death.
Sure is.
That is crazy.
Oh, it's a bull snake.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
How did it?
So the bull snake got around his wing, and he's winning.
Keep filming this.
Okay.
That is
One
awesome.
of y'all. Let me get this bull snake off of him.
Yeah, he's winning.
Yeah, he is winning. He got it right around his neck and everything.
That hawk's dead.
Yeah, I think the hawk is pretty much terminated. Look how that bull snake has him wrapped up. He is not letting go. Yeah, I think the hawk's still alive, maybe.
Look at this too. That bull snakes.
Well, he's there. Probably have to kill the snake to get the hawk.
The hawk's still alive.
Oh, there he goes. Bull snake is not happy. He just lost a meal. Maybe. Yeah.
That thing good?
I don't know that the hawk's gonna make it. He might. Of course, the bull snake might go get him again. He may have broke his wing, Scott. It's hard to say.
That was something.
That
That
was.
snake is ticked.
Look. Looky there.
Yeah. Crocodile done
That's
Scott
awesome.
done rescued the bird.
Look at that. And then the snake is not happy.
What is that noise?
That was the snake.
I thought.
All right.
Cool.